Retiring early is a dream many people share. The idea of leaving the workforce at a young age, having more time to explore passions, travel, or simply enjoy life with loved ones is compelling. However, achieving early retirement is not an overnight accomplishment. It requires careful planning, discipline, and a strategic approach. In this video, we will discuss 10 crucial tips that will help you on your journey to retiring early. Start with a clear vision of your retirement. Before diving into the specifics of saving and investing, it's essential to define your vision for early retirement. Having a clear picture of what you want your retirement to look like will guide every financial decision you make along the way. Think about what you hope to do once you're no longer working. Are you planning to travel the world, start a new business, volunteer, or simply enjoy more time with family? Understanding your goals will not only motivate you but also help you determine how much money you'll need to retire. For instance, a minimalist lifestyle in retirement may require significantly less capital than a luxury travel-focused retirement. Defining your ideal day in retirement will give you clarity on the steps needed to get there and help you set realistic financial milestones. Set a realistic financial plan. Creating a financial plan is the next essential step in your journey to early retirement. This plan should outline your savings goals, how much you need to invest, and the strategy you'll use to accumulate the necessary wealth. Begin by determining how much money you need to retire comfortably. A common rule of thumb is the 25-buy rule, which suggests you will need 25 times your expected annual expenses to retire. For example, if you anticipate needing $40,000 per year in retirement, you will need $1 million. Once you've established this goal, break it down into monthly savings targets. Invest your savings in a diversified portfolio of assets, including stocks, bonds, and real estate. The more disciplined and detailed your financial plan, the easier it will be to stay on track. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. One of the most effective ways to speed up your journey to early retirement is by cutting back on unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your spending habits and identify areas where you can reduce costs without sacrificing your quality of life. Start by assessing your biggest expenses, such as housing, transportation, and food. Consider downsizing your home, eliminating debt, or finding more affordable alternatives for daily purchases. A good practice is to evaluate subscriptions and memberships. Streamlining these can free up a surprising amount of money. Another critical change is eating out less frequently. Cooking at home is far more economical and healthier than dining out. The key here is not to deprive yourself, but to make thoughtful choices that align with your financial goals. By automating your savings, you ensure that a portion of your income is automatically directed into your retirement fund before you have the chance to spend it. Live below your means. Living below your means is one of the most powerful strategies for achieving early retirement. It's not about living a life of deprivation, but about being intentional with your money. This requires adopting the mindset that saving and investing are more important than keeping up with consumer trends or indulging in every new luxury that comes your way. Start by tracking your expenses to understand where your money is going. With this information, create a budget that allocates a set percentage to essential needs, savings, and discretionary spending. It's also important to avoid lifestyle inflation, the tendency to increase spending when your income rises. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle every time you get a raise, try to save and invest that extra income to accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Living below your means involves making consistent, small sacrifices that add up significantly over time. Invest wisely and early. Investing early is one of the most effective ways to build wealth over time. The power of compound interest means that the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even if you start with a small amount, the key is to start early and stay consistent. A great way to invest is through low-cost index funds, which track the performance of broad market indexes like the S&P 500. These funds provide diversification, reduce the risk of individual stocks, and come with relatively low management fees. Also, take full advantage of retirement accounts such as 401ks, IRAs, or Roth IRAs, which offer tax advantages. By contributing to these accounts regularly, you can significantly grow your wealth over time. Additionally, consider diversifying your investments to include real estate, which can provide passive income through rental properties and offer long-term appreciation. The earlier you begin investing and the more consistently you invest, the faster you'll be able to reach your financial independence goals. Increase your income. While cutting expenses is crucial, boosting your income is just as important in the pursuit of early retirement. The more you earn, the more you can save and invest toward your retirement. There are several ways to increase your income without drastically changing your lifestyle. You could ask for a raise at work, take on a side hustle, or start a part-time business. Side hustles such as freelancing, tutoring, or driving for rideshare services can be flexible and lucrative ways to earn extra money outside of your primary job. Many people also turn hobbies or skills into profitable ventures, such as starting an online store or providing consulting services. Every additional income stream you create contributes to your overall retirement savings and allows you to invest more toward your future. Increasing your income may require stepping outside of your comfort zone, but the rewards in the form of financial freedom will be worth it. Be smart about debt. Debt can be a major obstacle when trying to retire early. High-interest debts, particularly credit card debt, can quickly spiral out of control and hinder your ability to save. Eliminating debt should be a top priority on your path to financial independence. Start by paying off high-interest debts first, as they consume a large portion of your income through interest. Once high-interest debts are gone, focus on paying off other types of debt, such as student loans, car loans, and mortgages. Avoid taking on new debt, especially for depreciating assets, as this can delay your progress. If you're managing multiple debts, consider debt consolidation, which can simplify payments and lower interest rates. The goal is to minimize the amount of money spent on servicing debt, which can then be redirected into your retirement savings. Being debt-free not only improves your financial position, but also gives you more flexibility in how you allocate your resources toward early retirement. Take advantage of tax advantage accounts. Tax advantage accounts play a crucial role in helping you build wealth efficiently. These accounts offer significant tax benefits that can accelerate your savings by reducing your tax burden. The most common tax advantage accounts include 401ks, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. With a 401k, you can contribute pre-tax income, lowering your taxable income in the year of the contribution. Many employers also offer a matching contribution, which is essentially free money for your retirement. IRAs and Roth IRAs provide further tax advantages depending on your income and tax bracket. Roth IRAs, in particular, allow your investments to grow tax-free, and you can make tax-free withdrawals in retirement. If you're eligible, consider contributing to a health savings account, HSA, as well. This account offers triple tax benefits, tax-deductible contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals for medical expenses, making it a powerful tool in your retirement planning. By maximizing contributions to these accounts, you can build wealth more efficiently and keep more of your money working for you. Create multiple streams of income. Relying on a single income stream can be risky, especially when you're working toward early retirement. Building multiple income streams ensures that you have more financial security and flexibility. One effective way to diversify your income is through dividend-paying stocks. These stocks provide regular payouts, which can be reinvested or used to supplement your savings. Additionally, real estate investment can generate steady passive income, especially if you own rental properties. Even online businesses, such as e-commerce stores or affiliate marketing, can provide a consistent revenue stream. Having multiple sources of income reduces your reliance on a single job and enables you to accumulate more wealth, making it easier to retire early. The goal is to create a financial portfolio that generates enough passive income to support your lifestyle, even without a traditional job. Stay disciplined and patient. Retiring early requires discipline and patience. It's easy to get distracted by short-term temptations or give up when progress feels slow, but consistency is key. Stick to your financial plan, continue saving, investing, and cutting unnecessary expenses, and remember that small, consistent efforts over time yield large rewards. Monitor your progress regularly to ensure you're on track to meet your goals. Keep in mind that early retirement is a long-term goal, and the rewards are worth the wait. Avoid the temptation of lifestyle inflation and resist spending increases as your income grows. Instead, focus on the long-term benefits of financial independence and early retirement. The more disciplined and patient you are, the sooner you'll be able to retire on your own terms. Retiring early is within reach for those who are disciplined, focused, and strategic in their financial planning. By starting with a clear vision of what you want your retirement to look like, setting realistic goals, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and investing wisely, you can build the foundation for a successful early retirement. Increasing your income, minimizing debt, taking advantage of tax advantage accounts, and creating multiple streams of income will further accelerate your journey. Finally, staying disciplined and patient will keep you on track and motivated, ensuring that you achieve your dream of early retirement. With the right mindset and dedication, you can retire early and live the life you've always dreamed of. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.